If you want to start making $100 a day by using SEO-free traffic, then watch this video to the end. And don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Also, leave a comment on this video telling us what you've learned from this video. Let's get started. After you've focused on the quality and frequency of the content you develop, the easiest way to bring more traffic from the outside is to build your search engine optimization, SEO. The first step in developing SEO is to make sure that you've submitted your website links to the various search engine platforms. While not every URL provided will make it onto the search indexes, a majority of them do without any problems. Completing this first step allows Google's crawlers to index and display your website within their search results. This can also be done for other search engines like Bing and Yahoo. Once you've submitted your website URLs for indexing, you need to perform SEO on all of your current content. You will also need to keep this in mind as you move forward. SEO is basically about allowing the search engine crawlers, or virtual bots, to categorize and classify your site in order of relevance to keywords. The higher the significance of a particular site in response to a specific keyword, the better its chances of appearing higher up on search lists. Appearing higher on the search engines is vital. This is because all your efforts aren't necessarily geared towards people who already know about your site and can directly access it by inputting its URL, but rather towards those who aren't aware of your business and are looking for options based on the keywords in their search query. SEO has become an extremely competitive field. You have to be able to understand the mind of your customers and create lists of possible keywords that you can use, so your customers can get to the topical content that you've provided. Take some time to look at the content that you've already created. Make a list of possible keywords that you would use to get to content like this on the internet. The keyword phrases that you determine should be between 2 to 4 words long. To help you compile your list faster, use one of the keyword phrases and enter it into the Google search bar. After you hit search, scroll to the bottom of the page. Here you will see roughly 8 to 10 related searches and keyword phrases. Take a look at the list and see if it might be able to help you find a few more keyword phrases that you believe are strongly related to your content. Repeat this process several times with different keyword phrases. This will allow you to find a broader range of keywords that are relevant to your content. After you've identified 15 to 20 keywords and keyword phrases, go back through your current content and make sure that the keywords that you've determined are present in the content. You will also need to rewrite your title and subtitle to ensure that one of the more distinct keyword phrases is present. Don't get too overzealous with inserting keywords and keyword phrases into your articles. They should only account for around 1.5% of your total word count. Search engines will automatically lower your rank in the indexes if there is excessive keyword cramming. You'll want to add at least 3 keywords to the title tag of your content, as well as adding the important keyword phrase in the metadata and description of your content. Again, it is important not to get overzealous and stuff your tagline with errant tags, as this will lead to your rank being lowered. The best way to handle SEO is to identify the best possible search engine key phrases and dedicate a few unique ones to each article or piece of content you create. You can also use plugins like SEO search terms tagging, which will help you to identify the exact search terms that visitors used to find their way to your site. If you find that other search terms would be better for bringing customers to your site, then you may want to consider changing the list of keywords that you've created. When it comes deciding on your keywords, avoid using more archaic or abstruse words in the hope of being unique. Your goal is to find the right keywords and phrases that are the most realistic depictions of search engine language that a majority of your visitors would use to find your site. However, where your ingenuity comes in, is finding ways to express the same set of keywords in different ways. Your challenge is to discover the configuration of words that will help to lead your visitors to your site successfully. Unfortunately, the problem with SEO is that today's higher tech savviness means that using shorter keyword phrases tends to bring up too many results and too much competition. However, 2/3 of all searches are performed using long strings of keywords, so finding the right longer keyword strings can lead to more customers finding your site. Now click on the first link in the description. There will be a free video showing you the easiest way to make money online. Thanks for watching.